Hey guys, welcome back to my channel ayragkworld. It's an English class. Today's topic is prepositions. She is going to the market. Gap, foot. The right answer is by. She is going to the market by foot. The meeting was scheduled. Gap, 2 p.m. The meeting was scheduled at 2 p.m. The correct preposition here is at. She was absent. Gap, class yesterday. She was absent from class yesterday. I am tired. Gap, working all day. I am tired of working all day. I am disappointed. Gap, your behavior. I am disappointed with your behavior. I am grateful. Gap, your help. I am grateful for your help. He is excited. Gap, the upcoming trip. He is excited for the upcoming trip. We are worried. Gap, our health. We are worried about her health. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.